See how LabLab AI Hackathon winners used Llama 2 tech with Clarify to create groundbreaking apps in healthcare, finance, and presentation software innovation, struggling with visual impairment challenges. Sitecom, our first-place winner, offers a revolutionary solution with voice-activated scene description and color recognition. Overwhelmed by personal finance management? ThingU, awarded second place, simplifies it with personalized, secure financial advice using advanced machine learning. Frustrated with tedious presentation creation? Third place winner Slide Deck AI streamlines the process with AI-driven design and resource integration. Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.